Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem even odd tree. So a binary tree is named even odd if it meets the following condition. The root of the binary tree is at level index 0, its children are at level index 1 and their children are at level index 2, etc. So basically normal tree definition. So for the even index level, so all the nodes at that level have odd integers values in strictly increasing order from left to right, and for odd index level all nodes at that level have the even integer value in strictly decreasing order from left to right, and we have to check whether the tree is even odd or not. If it is even odd, we have to return true, otherwise we have to return the false. So what is this condition is saying? So this is the level 0, then level 1, then level 2, then level 3. So this is even level, and these two are odd level. So at the even level all nodes should has value. At the even level node all nodes value should be odd. So this 1 is odd here, 3 is odd, 7 odd, 9 odd, and so on. Similarly on the odd level nodes are even values 10, 4, 12, 8, 6, 2, and so on. Also at the even index level the values are in increasing order from left to right. So 1 is increasing, then strictly increasing, even 3, 7, 9 is increasing, and this is decreasing strictly, this is decreasing strictly. So this is our perfect even order tree. So we have to return true for this example. So as we already got the some hints, it's level by level, we can easily use the level order traversal for this tree. So how we will solve this problem? So first of all we will traverse this tree level by level using our well-known algorithm, BFS algorithm, level order traversal, level by level. So how we traverse the tree level by level? So first of all we will take a data structure which will hold the our nodes, a queue. We will put the nodes in the queue first. So first we will add the root node here, then we consume the root node from the queue and check its if its left exist and right exist. If they exist, then we add into the queue. So this is a basic level order traversal approach. We use a queue, and for the level wise level we take the size of the queues every alternate level. So we will take the size of the queue and use another nested condition and iterate it over. So now when we process level by level, so we will also keep a variable which will even boolean variable which will give us whether the current level is even or odd. So we will initialize this because at the first level 0th index which is even level, so we will initialize it is with the true value. So for this level we have to find out whether the odd like value, all are the node values are even, first condition. If any of the odd node value is even, then we will return the false straightforward. So we will check the node value here, and also the node value is strictly increasing from left to right for the even level nodes. So how we will track that? So we will keep a previous variable prev value which is we will initialize for the even node. If it is even level we will initialize with the min value, and if it is odd node we will initialize the max value. Why? Because in case of odd level this should be strictly decreasing, in case of even level it should be a strictly increasing. So with this value we will compare this node current value, current node, whatever current node we are processing. So let's say I am here on this, let's say even level node. So I will check if it is less than, like the next value less than or equals to the previous value, which means it's not satisfying the condition, we will return the false here straightforward. And in case of odd level the same condition will be reversed, as our element should be sorted in the decreasing order. So this is the approach. If you got the idea, try it out, code yourself first, pause the video. So let's quickly implement the code. So for implementing the code, let's reset this code. So for the implementation, let's solve this. So for the implementation we need to, let's say, first check the base case. If root itself null, there is no node in the tree, then we can say it is a satisfying the condition, we will return the true. Then we will take a queue of tree node, put the tree node as this queue, initialize from the linked list. Now queue dot add the root, and also we will take a boolean variable even, that will help us to let us say mark it even label itself. So initialize first as a for the 0 label is true, then we will iterate all the nodes until our queue has the element, and then take the first like queue size for queue dot size. So this is we are doing for processing the label wise labels. So the pref value is based on the label. If is even label, then we will initialize it with the integer it should be integer dot max, it should be integer dot min value, and in case of odd level it should be integer dot max value. So now we will iterate all the node on that label to size minus minus until greater than 0. So here we will first get the node from the queue. So queue dot poll, and then we will check if we are processing even label, and like we will check the invalid cases and return false as if it is satisfying the invalid case condition. So here root dot val mod 2, if it is not odd value, basically if it is even value, or the root dot val is less than or equals to the pref value. If it is the case, we will return false here. And the second case for the not basically for the odd level, for odd level if it is has the odd value, then return false, and if it is greater than or equals to, then also return the false. Then we will update our pref value from the current dot value, it should be root dot value, and also now we will add the left and right child based on if it is exists. Root dot left is not null, so we will add this, let it make more prettier, this like this is. Then we will add queue dot add root dot left child into the queue. Similarly we will do for the right child and add the right child into the key. So this is we are casing. So these are the two invalid case. We check first if it is satisfying, and if it is not written from here anywhere, then in the end, which means we are having a correct even odd tree, we will return here true in the end. So this is, let's compile the code and see if it is compilable and working for this. We are getting a wrong answer for this test case. Instead of true, we are getting false. So the condition is wrong over here. So as we are checking even load is, yeah, so the problem is I haven't switched the levels. As I started, it is always true. So hence we have to also change this to the as a not of even every time. So let's try again now, and now it's we are getting the correct answer. So let's submit this code and see, and it is accepted. So the time complexity of this solution, as we are processing all the nodes O of n, and the space complexity is also can go in worst case O of n. So this is a simple label order traversal application, I can say. If you are not familiar with this, solve that label order. I have other videos as well on the other label order traversal problems. So if you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.